How to use Acura's keyless entry. When the vehicle is locked, bring the key within proximity to the driver's door handle. Place your hand in the handle and the door will unlock and the mirrors will swing out. For safety, no other doors will unlock if the driver door handle is used. This can be changed in system settings. To lock the vehicle, close the door and place your finger on the embossed button on the handle. You'll know all doors are locked when the mirrors blink and fold in and an audible beep will be heard. If you utilize the keyless entry with a rear door, all doors will unlock. You can also lock all doors with the embossed button on any door handle. Unlocking the vehicle also unlocks the fuel door for convenience and safety. The tailgate on the MDX and RDX can be operated with keyless entry. When the vehicle is locked, press the handle to open the power tailgate. The taillights will blink to let you know the doors of the vehicle are still locked once the hatch is closed. If the doors are locked while the hatch is open and you wish to lock them, simply press the button on the tailgate latch. Wanting to customize your keyless entry settings? These can be found in the vehicle settings under Keyless Access Setup.